Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn what are the terms and what are the coefficients of the expression. So I have taken few examples here and we are going to see and understand each example one by one. The term is something which is being added or subtracted in the expression. So the term can be a single number constant or a product of two constant or a product of constant or variable. So term can be anything which is a constant, a product of two variables or a product of constant and a variable, and these terms are always comes with their respective sign. And the next term is coefficients. Coefficients are any numbers or constants which are being multiplied with the variables in a single term, and these coefficients are also represented with their respective sign. To make our topic clear and to understand it properly, let's find out the term and coefficients in the following expressions. In the first expression, we have two terms. Two terms here are 5xyz cube or 5xyz cube and minus 3xy. These are the two terms in the first expression. Let's talk about the coefficient in this expression. Term can be written as 5 times xyz cube, and the second term can be written as minus 3 times xy. So the coefficients here are, the coefficient in the first term is 5 and the coefficient in the second term is negative 3. Now let's take second example here. So we have three terms. First one is a constant 1, second one is x, and the third one is x square. As the first term is a constant, so there is no coefficient here in the first term. The second term here is x, which can be written as the product of x and 1, and the third term is x square, which can also be written as 1 times x square. The coefficients here are 1 and 1. Now let's take our third example. So here we have three terms, 4x square y square, second term is minus 4x square y square z, and the third term is z square. So the coefficients are, in the first term, this first term is a product of 4 and x square y square. Second term can be seen as a product of minus 4 x square y square z. The third term can be seen as the product of 1 times z square. So we have the coefficients as 4, negative 4 and 1. In the fourth example, we have four terms, 3 which is a constant, negative PQ, QR and negative RP. So here we have four terms, but the coefficients will be of the three terms cause the first one is a constant. So it is not having any coefficients. So the first term here is minus PQ, which can be seen as the product of negative 1 times PQ. The second one is QR, which can be seen as the product of 1 times QR. And the third one is negative RP, which can be seen as the product of negative 1 times RP. So the coefficients will become negative 1, 1 and negative 1. The next example, we have three terms, x over 2, y over 2 and xy. Now for the coefficient, this term can be written as half times x, the second term can be written as half times y, and the third time can be seen as the product of 1 times xy. We have the coefficients as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1. Now let's move on to our next example. Here we have three terms and the terms are in decimal. So the first term is 0.3a, second term is negative 0.6 AB and the third one is 0.5 B. The coefficients are 0.3 times A, This can be written as 0.6 times AB and this is 0.5 times B. So the coefficients will become 0.3 minus 0.6 and 0.5. These are all the coefficients in this term. So I hope this topic is now clear to you and you will be able to differentiate between terms and coefficients and will be able to do any questions. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching.